Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how new players can access the Whalefall Canyon map even if they miss the Call of Whales event in Heartopia. So the good news is Whalefall Canyon is a permanent map, so you can still access it even the Call of Whales event has ended. However, there's one important requirement that you need to know, especially for the new player. So after the event ends, the requirements to unlock the portal will be adjusted, and in here you will need to reach Digi member level 21 or above and complete the beginner guide quest that called Enter Lies Within. So if you are a new player, make sure to grading your Digi member level and complete your beginner quest. And sorry, in this tutorial for the quest, the Answer Lies Within quest, unfortunately I can't show you exact step here because I'm an older player and my Willful Canyon portal was already unlocked during the Call of Whales event before. So in here, once you meet the requirements, you will be able to unlock the portal and visit Whalefall Canyon even though the event is already over like this. And the portal will looks like this, and it's located on here at the near the Whale Sea over here, near the Meadow Lake like this. So make sure you reach level 21 first. And okay, that's it. I hope this guide helped you, especially for the new players. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.